see, this is one is the waters and machinery. It look like very clean things. And this is one is for thermostat, whatever is the high temperature is. Also that one is in here. Machine used to be used and not far away from where you take them out. You see that one's in here. We didn't see any things. Just like the normal. So as well, nice and also a double jacket is, look, this is all just only resting for the house. So you see, also this is one in here that silhouette of that. You see that? It's nice sense. Look.